Give me that.
Welcome back to Mind Games Challenge. Let's begin. 1. What is the official favorite pastime of most people in India that often leads to spirited discussions, especially during match days? Answer B, cricket, because debating whether your team is better than someone else is practically a national sport. Two, in India, what could you most likely expect to find more of in the streets than cars during rush hour? Answer C, cows. They roam free and are treated like royalty. 3. Which Indian festival is often celebrated with more color than a toddler's art project? Answer B, Holi, where throwing colored powder is considered a sign of great friendship or confusion.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Four. What kind of food in India is often mistaken for a magical teleportation device because it can instantly transport you to the nearest bathroom? Answer C, Pani Puri, one bite, and it's a race against time. 5. If you feel lonely while traveling in India, which of this would definitely cheer you up and keep you company? Answer C, a random uncle asking when you're getting married, because every trip needs a little unsolicited advice. 6. What is the unofficial national sport of bargaining that takes place in every Indian market, often leading to hilarious negotiations? Answer C. Haggling. Who knew that getting a discount could feel like an Olympic event? Seven. When it comes to Indian weddings, what food item can you almost guarantee will cause a major cultural discussion among guests? Answer C. Biryani. Because everyone has their own secret recipe, and opinions can get as spicy as the dish itself. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about cricket, cows, and color. The hilarious truth about everyday life in India.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.